Hello everybody, welcome to this new tutorial. Today we're gonna do together Mastercam tutorial where we will do YouTube name machine. Let's begin together. First, we choose wireframe. We create rectangle. Okay, width R 100, height R 150. Okay, transfer, move to origin, select the point to translate. Okay, this one. I want to rotate it. So rotate. Select all. Control A. This is the rotation I need. Move, not copy. Okay. I want reselection the center of rotation. Okay. That's right. Just now I will move it again to the origin. Like you see, because of the rotation. Okay. Okay, this is the nice origin. That's the perfect one, the right one, the most accessible one. Then we will go machine it. Okay, now we choose extrude. Select the chain. Okay, the distance 30. Okay, this is our box. Now I will create a new plane where we can create the name YouTube. So plane, this face, this is the best one. Just okay. X R 0 is 0, Y is 0 also, Z R 30. That's perfect. Okay. Now we want to choose to make the wireframe box in another level. Okay. Level number 2. Okay. And I will close it. That's right. I will call it chain box. And the other one is the solid box. That's right. Now, I will create words. We write YouTube. Okay, to see YouTube, YouTube. Okay, now we choose the biggest height. Okay, that's it. Oh, we are not working in the new plane. We're still working on top, so change plane. Okay, that's it. Select the new position and new style of words. This is one. This perfect one. I love this one. Okay, in center of the box. That's perfect. We choose OK. Now we select all the box. We click Ctrl plus A, and now we choose the box and we add the YouTube name in the new level. Level number 3. I will call it YouTube. That's perfect. Okay. To wireframe view, we choose now the machine mail default. That's right. We choose our chain. We have now number 1, chain number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now we choose the two, flat and mill. Let's try to work with flat and mill. There is no diameter to just we choose another one and we change it. Diameter is 2. Okay. Okay. We will try it first and then we see. Okay. Now here we haven't anything to change. Here we will choose depth cuts. It is, I'll change it to 1 millimeter. That's it. Okay, that's right. We will close it, it's not important. Okay. Okay. These parameters are not so important in this example. We choose the clearness. Okay, incremental. Incremental. Here we let it absolute. We write the Z of the box 30, 87. Okay, just 3 millimeter. YouTube name. Now we choose the planes. It's the top one because we select 30, so we are on the. Now, as you see, there is some chains must be reversed. Sorry. So we just reselect these chains, and we choose reverse chain. Okay, the second one, reverse chain. I want to give you some advice. The chain must be, the small one must be in the chain and the biggest one must be out of the chain. Like this. The small one in the chain, the biggest one is out of the chain. And like this. Okay, this is right. This must be reversed. Okay. Reverse chain. Also this reverse chain. reverse, reverse. Okay, regenerate that spot. Now let's do the simulation. Okay, okay, that's it. So as we see, there is some details will not be machined. So I will change the diameter if of the two. I will choose 3 mm. Let's see now. I think this will be better. Okay, just want to see this dimension because it's not machined. It's 2.595. So let's go. Let's stock, and I choose minus 0. In the stock of wall 0 minus 0.05. Okay, now it's great. It will be machined. Now the simulation again. Okay, I think it will be better. Perfect one. I love it. Now I select the stock setup, bounding box, Ctrl A, select all the geometry there. Okay. Now I will deselect the name YouTube. I just want the box, the solid box. And let's see together the simulation. That's it. Okay. A little bit slow. Okay. Perfect. YouTube. It's amazing. I love it. I hope that you like it, you love the video, and you find it really interesting. So, don't forget to see more and more of my videos. Goodbye!